Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process to unlock the ultimate rotary beast, the 1991 Mazda 787B, hidden deep within the open world of Forza Horizon 6. Unlike regular sports cars, this multi-million-dollar Le Mans winning legend cannot simply be bought from the standard festival auto show. Instead, it is locked behind the game's secret endgame barn find mechanic, requiring you to rise up to the Master Explorer tier level. You can grind out the necessary Explorer level experience points quickly by completing the majority of high-tier stamps inside your Discover Japan journal menu. Once you officially reach Master Explorer status, the gold stamp rumor will instantly trigger on your map screen, highlighting a broad search area located inside the northern forests of the gorgeous Takashiro region. Pinpoint the exact hidden location by driving your car off-road into the dense northeast corner of Takashiro, right next to the wide, curvy mountain pass. Look for an old wooden structure tucked away beneath the trees, drive right up to the doors to trigger the cutscene, and wait for your festival crew to fully restore this track monster for your garage. Subscribe the channel for more videos.